For those of you where they ask, say, Don, una they hear say women for North America, they know they use I, they see African men. Women for South America, they know they use I, they see African men. Women for Brazil, all those countries, say they know they use I, they see our African men. Say if you enter those countries, women there, now then go they rush you. And once you go just marry them immediately. They give you passport. Then if you use that passport, enter any other country where you like. Now, you get something where I want to make some of una. We get this mentality. No. And make we try to understand, say, the sound of bitter cola no be like that where the sweet be. Or no be like that where the taste be. Yes. Maybe people they talk am the way we be say, you go they see am like say it dey easy. But now when you enter there, now that time you go no say, wetin they tell you, no be wetin they happen there. One thing where you need to consider be say, as person when one travel that kind country, because of woman, we go give you passport of that country so that you go use them, travel any other country where you want. You really need to consider your age. Yes, your age is very, very important. Because if you are young, if you are very young and you are planning to go that kind of country, yes, it will favor you. But if age no dey your side, you go there to start life from scratch just because you want to look for document or passport where you go take travel another country, where you go now start your real life. Honestly speaking, you really need to consider this. And one thing with all those countries be say, as people they tell you, say women there, Nasara, then they rush our black people, like say, then they rush Tom Tom. It no be like that. Again, you really need to consider, say, if you eventually enter that country, first of all, you need to know how the system of that country they go. Another thing will be say, once you meet woman, begin to talk to that woman. You not go fit tell am say you want marry am immediately and you expect that woman to accept. You know possible. All these things, it get process. You understand? Una go date. From there, if the dating dey good, then when the relationship comes strong, well, now that time you go pronounce marriage for the woman. Then the woman have to look into that your dating or into your relationship. Compare am with marriage where you want go into with you. If the thing dey okay for am, he go accept. Then once he accept the marriage, una go start the process of that marriage. Remember, as a foreigner, for you to marry a citizen, e get process. You understand? Then when una get that process done, now come marry. Another process, now to work how una go take register that marriage. All these things na time. All these things na time it dey take. Then when una register, you need to humble yourself in that marriage so that you get to that promised land in order to get your residence and that your passport. No be something wey go take 1 year. No be something wey go take 2 years. So you really need to consider your age if you are thinking about all these things. After that, if God can't help you, you spend those years over there, now get your that passport there. You really need to understand, say, if you carry that passport to go any other country like Europe, America, or whatever, where you say you want to go, if you enter that country, now there, your journey starts fully. You need to check how you go take, register that your passport there, get things done, start work. But now that time, now you go no say you don't enter the country where you say you really want to enter. So you really need to consider your age